What's the man thinking? If I miss the bus, I'll catch a taxi. In this situation, the man is thinking about the possibility and uncertainty of missing the bus and what he needs to do as a consequence. This is what we call the first conditional. We use the first conditional to talk about a possible event or situation in the present or the future and its result or consequence. The first conditional has two clauses, if clause, comma, plus results clause. We can also call the if clause the condition clause or the subordinate clause. So the form is if plus any present tense plus any future tense. So if plus present simple, comma, plus future simple using will. For example, if I miss the bus, I'll catch a taxi. If I ate everything, I'd get fat. This is what we call the second conditional. The main function of the second conditional is to talk about hypothetical or imaginary situations in the present or future and their consequences. This is Ted. Ted's poor and lives in a small house. He wishes he was rich so he can buy a big house. How can he say this using the second conditional? If I were rich, I'd buy a big house. Notice how we used were for the pronoun I. That's because for second conditionals, we use were for all pronouns after the word if in the condition clause, including I, he, she, and it. Let's have a look at another example. Sarah wants to go swimming, but it's raining. The form of the second conditional is condition clause, comma, plus result or consequence clause. The condition clause is if or unless plus past simple, and the result or consequence clause is would or wouldn't plus verb in the base form. For example, if I ate everything, comma, I'd get fat. If I were you, comma, I'd buy a new phone.